Challenge yourself for a second. See if you can understand this. If you can, that means you were born for blueprint reading. This is called orthographic projection. The ortho means straight or 90 degrees. So orthographic projection means looking at an object from a 90-degree angle, straight onto the surface, no perspective, no distortion. Let's take a look at this shape. At first, all you see is a blue surface. There are no edges, no limits, so you can't really tell what the shape is. But as we zoom out, the edges begin to appear. Now the shape starts to make sense. Once we see the edges, there's no doubt. This is a stepped rectangular prisms with an internal hole inside. Edges create shape, and that's the key to reading drawings. Now let's analyze this one step at a time. When you look at this object from the top, you can only see the red highlighted areas. These are the surfaces visible when you look at straight down at 90 degrees. Even though these areas are at different elevations, from the top view we cannot see height difference. From this angle, elevation disappears. Only outlines remain. So what do? We project all visible surfaces onto the same plane closest to our view. We bring every surface facing us into the one flat level. That gives us the 2D plan view. All visible edges are drawn using continuous solid lines. Now look at the hole. Since this hole passes completely through the element, we draw cross lines to represent the opening. If the hole were recessed, meaning it did not go all the way through, we would not draw the cross lines. In this case, because the hole passes through the entire element, the cross lines are required. This plan is called plan view, which is the top view of the element. The side view works exactly the same way. When we look at the object from the side, again at an exact 90-degree angle, we can only see the yellow highlighted areas. Everything else is hidden behind the shape. To create the side view, we project all visible surfaces onto the same plane closest to our point of view. Visible edges are drawn with continuous solid lines. Now for the invisible edges. Some surfaces are parallel to your view, but you still can't see them because they are blocked by other geometry. For the edges of those hidden surfaces, like the internal hole, we use dashed lines. Now let's look at the front view. From the front, looking straight on at 90 degrees, we can only see the green highlighted areas. Once again, we bring all the visible surfaces onto the same plane, closest to our view. Visible edges get solid lines. Edges of the hole not visible but parallel to the visible surfaces are drawn using hidden dashed lines. Simple as that. Front and side views called elevations in architecture drawings. In next video, we will talk about sections.